This is another video from a same subject, different angle, a little bit of distance. But so anyways, there she is. That's my latest model airplane, and it's coming right along. Happy to see that. Okay, I'm making this video to add to my other video, to add some length to my other video because it's too short. If your videos are less than 1 minute, Facebook sees them as or YouTube rather, sees them as a short, and puts them in the short category. And I don't want mine to be in the short category. I don't know why, but I don't. So I'm going to add this length to it. There's other ways of doing it, but this works for me.